Hi everyone, my name is Julia and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to crochet something food related, and it's something I used to eat all the time as a kid. It's dumplings or пельмени. So this is how it looks like, and you might be wondering why could you even use a dumpling like this for? I'll show you a few ways, maybe strange ways, how you can actually use it. Option number 1. Just use it as a little toy for your cat or even for a child. Option number 2. Turn it into a keychain. You can clip it onto your jeans, your bag, or even your sneakers. It's really trendy right now. To make this cute dumpling, you will need white or some creamy yarn, but in the tutorial I'm gonna use yellow yarn so you can see the stitches better, because white yarn on the white background isn't a great idea, you won't see anything. And you will also need scissors, needle to weave in the ends, a bit of stuffing, one marker and 2mm hook. And we start with the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around finger this way, hold. The working yarn is at the top, the tail or the end is at the bottom. Insert the hook into this magic ring, grab the working yarn this way, hold, and chain. This chain doesn't count as a stitch. Then pull a bit the tail, then into the ring we make 6 single crochets. Yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. We made the first single crochet. This is the first stitch of the round, of the first round, and we mark this stitch under these loops. Then we make another 5 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches in total. Now we close this ring, just find the tail, pull, and you close this ring. So the first round is done. We don't join rounds, we just continue crocheting, placing marker on the first stitch. In the second we make 6 increases. We don't make a join, we just start in the first stitch of the previous round. So I make the first increase into this stitch. An increase means 2 stitches in one stitch of the previous round. And marker on the first stitch of the round. The first increase, then make another 5 increases. 1 into the same place, 2. The second increase, make another 4 increases. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 increases. Now in the second round we should have 12 stitches. In the next round we make 6 increases again and 1 single crochet between them. And I start this third round with an increase. Marker on the first stitch. Increase, then 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Increase, 1 single crochet, and I repeat this pattern till the end. This is the last stitch of the round. So into the next increase, 2 stitches in one place, 1 single crochet. Again, increase, 2 stitches in one place, 1 single crochet, and repeat this pattern till the end. Done. In the third round you should have 18 stitches. The next round. In the next round we make 6 increases again, but between these increases should be 2 stitches, 2 single crochets. So the number of stitches between increases are growing by 1 in each new round. So in the previous round it was 1 stitch between increases. In this fourth round should be 2 stitches between these 6 increases. And one important thing, the next increase should be placed between increases from the previous round, so the circle stays even without these corners. Let's see. Increase, increase, and between them 1 single crochet. So increase should be right in the middle where we made 1 single crochet. This is the first stitch of the previous round, and here we have increase. So now we crochet 2 single crochets and then make increase. 1. This is the first stitch, so we place marker. 2. So we made 2 single crochets and only then increase. And right now this increase placed right between the previous. And repeat this pattern till the end. 2 single crochets, then increase. 2 single crochets, increase until the end. So in the last stitch should be increase. Okay, the fourth round is done. In this round we should have 24 stitches. As I said, the next increases should be placed between the previous ones. For example, between the previous increases we have 2 stitches, so we can make increase into this stitch or into this stitch, but don't make the next increases here or here, because this is the increase. The next round I start with an increase. 1, 2 into the same place, marker on the first. Then I make 3 single crochets and increase into the next. Again 3 single crochets, increase, and repeat this pattern till the end. Alternate increase and 3 single crochets. Done. In this round should be 30 stitches. If you make a small dumpling, so you stop here. 5 rounds are enough for this size. If you make this big dumpling, you crochet another 3 rounds. Please pause the video and make another 3 rounds on your own. Done. In the last round I made 6 increases and 6 stitches between them. Now with the needle I'm going to secure this end. So under the stitch and make a knot just to secure this end so this ring won't unravel. But I don't weave in this end. Now I'm going to join these 2 sides of the circle. I insert the hook into this stitch and this stitch. Okay, into this stitch and this way. I make the first single crochet and continue. The hook through this stitch and through this stitch and single crochet. This end I place inside and continue making single crochets. Before you finish, place some Fiberfill inside. And continue. And the last single crochet, fold in half this way, and we make slip stitch into this first stitch, slip stitch and chain. And then we continue crocheting around this dumpling. We make slip stitch, chain, slip stitch, chain, and continue till this stitch. The last stitches. Now I make a join into this place. And make a knot to secure this end. And within the end under these stitches.